Anthropic's Claude Code continues to dominate enterprise AI coding assistants, despite growing competition from OpenAI's Codex and an expanding ecosystem of open source coding models. Welcome to VARINDIA News Hour. Businesses are increasingly choosing tools that combine performance, security, and reliability for software development. Claude Code has gained strong adoption by helping developers generate code, debug applications, automate workflows, and improve productivity. Enterprises value its accuracy, contextual understanding, and ability to integrate into professional development environments. Meanwhile, interest in Codex and open source models is accelerating as organizations seek lower costs, greater customization, and deployment flexibility. Open source alternatives also appeal to companies that want greater control over data privacy, security, and on-premises AI deployments. The market is shifting from simply choosing the most capable model to selecting the platform that best aligns with governance, compliance, cost, and enterprise workflows. AI coding assistants are becoming strategic business tools rather than developer conveniences. As competition intensifies, innovation will increasingly focus on trust, security, customization, and enterprise-grade performance, shaping the next generation of AI-powered software development. Let's look into today's headlines. Apple briefly crosses $5 trillion market value. Apple briefly crossed a $5 trillion market value, becoming only the second company after Nvidia to reach the milestone. The iPhone maker regained its position as the world's most valuable company, driven by strong product demand and a strategy of limiting heavy AI infrastructure spending. Apple also launched a new device leasing program in the United States to boost sales. The company is set to announce its quarterly earnings, with analysts expecting strong revenue growth. WhatsApp introduces web calling and new call features. WhatsApp has introduced web calling, allowing users to make and receive audio and video calls directly through a web browser without downloading the app. The update also adds call transfer between devices, a waiting room for group calls, background noise suppression, and quick HD video for improved call quality. All web calls remain end-to-end encrypted. The new features are designed to make switching between devices easier while delivering a smoother, more secure, and higher quality calling experience. The Delhi High Court orders closure of Paytm Payments Bank. The Delhi High Court has ordered the winding up of Paytm Payments Bank, marking the final stage of its closure after prolonged regulatory action. The Reserve Bank of India said former State Bank of India executive Girikumar M. Nair has been appointed as the official liquidator to oversee the process. The RBI had cancelled the bank's license in April 2026 over persistent regulatory non-compliance. It has assured depositors that the bank has sufficient funds to repay all deposit liabilities. Google ends YouTube app support for Android 6.0 devices. Google has ended support for Android 6.0 Marshmallow in Google Play services, meaning the YouTube app will no longer work on these devices. Users will now be redirected to youtube.com through a mobile browser. The move also ends security updates, Google Play Protect support, and other Play services features for Android 6.0 phones, increasing security risks. Google now supports Android 7.0, Nougat, and newer, and is encouraging users with older devices to upgrade for continued app compatibility and protection. Dell Technologies rolls out an array of offerings in its premium segment in India. India is one of Dell Technologies' most important consumer markets, home to a young, digitally native population with growing ambitions across all aspects of life, that is, work, learning, creativity, or gaming. Recognizing this momentum, Dell has extended its premium consumer portfolio with a broad range of AI-ready devices. The devices include the new XPS 13, an ultra-portable PC, the Dell 14S and 16S that bring on-device AI capabilities, and the Alienware 15 gaming laptop. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and follow VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.